Happy Sunday, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. If you saw last week's video, you saw that I finally got the gray water tank installed underneath the bus. Yes. So the only thing left on that is the drainage fitting needs to be put in there. And then I have a bunch of small stuff inside the bus that also needs to be done. So I'm going to be working on random projects, including installing a filter system in the back under the sink. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with this week's video. Little storage in there. Yeah, and then you can set your phone right here while you go to the bathroom. Fabulous. Looking up because my source of light right now is the bathroom. So this is what's going on. It's good evening. That's what I meant to do. And I decided I was going to go ahead and cut the hole for the drainage in the gray water tank. And so I went ahead and I got a 3-inch hole saw from Lowe's. And I said, I'm going to go ahead and do this, so when it comes in the next day, I was going to already have that ready, and I can just put it in and seal it and everything, and it's going to be great. So that's what I did. And then the pipe comes in, the piece, you know, the fitting. I go to put it in, and it doesn't fit. Turns out it's 3 3/8 diameter. So... anyway, so I didn't get to do that. I ran to Lowe's and I got a 3.5-inch hole saw, and I'm getting ready to go outside to cut that and attempt it because it's already cut out. So if you've ever used a hole saw, you know how difficult it is to make a bigger one. I'm going to try to record it if I can. I don't know because it's awfully dark outside, so I don't know if I can figure something out with lighting. Tomorrow's high is only going to be 60 degrees, and then it starts dropping after that. It's supposed to rain all day tomorrow, so really tonight is my only time. My dogs are going insane, so that's my cue. I'll catch up with you in a little bit and let you know how it goes. So I'm having technical difficulties here. So this is the thing about trying to do this one person. I'm gonna have to try to find something to wedge this here. Oh, sorry. Here in this gap, which I might, let me try. I don't want to use, oh my goodness. I don't want to use the wood protection boards that I have up here. Because but I don't want to do that because it's going to be harder to line up exactly where the bottom of this, because it has to be right there at the bottom of it, that it's going to be harder to line up through the wood because we're talking about like this thick, and get it to line up perfectly is my dilemma. Because what I was going to do is, after I got this installed, legit just cut a small square out exactly where this is, just to make it easier, because lining up the circle would be a bit harder to do. Let me see if I can figure something out. Okay, I'm back. So I found some scrap wood, doubled up, and then shoved actually like broken paint stick underneath to get it to this right height here, and also a scrap piece of wood just wedged in there, and hopefully that will help keep it tight. So let's try. It worked after all of these extra little wedges of... Sorry, I changed my lighting. I have to use my ring light under here. Yeah, I had to wedge it in so many places, but it eventually got to the point where it was stable enough that I could make the hole bigger, so... Alright, now we just have to test the... That's a terrible angle. I don't think there's a good angle when you're under this. Well, I'm gonna go get the fitting and check it now. It's the moment of truth. If the fitting fits in there, then I'm going to go ahead and just sand this and everything and prep for sealing it. Alright, that's going to be it for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks so much. Thank you to my Patreon members. I really appreciate you. The Astral crew. I love you. You're distracting. All my animals are up here right now. And yeah, that's, did I say that's going to be it? I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching again. Thanks for my new subscribers. Rogue is, look at this. She's on my back. The chaos in my bathroom. No, I know, Rogue. I can't even remember what I was saying. But I love you guys. Thanks so much, and I'm gonna see you next week. I might put out a video Wednesday if I can. I might throw some tattoos and stuff that I've done in there, because I do have some footage that I haven't released yet in here. So that might be Wednesdays, but either way, I'm gonna see you Sunday. Love you. Take care.